Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. Got a sharp 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the 75th anniversary edition. Beautiful, brilliant black metallic. Got nice tinted windows. It's got the towing package, backup camera, backup sensors. Some nice bronze wheel. These are real easy to keep clean. They're 20-inch. This was a local trade-in. Got the HID adaptive headlights and LED daytime running lights. You got your fog lights, tow hooks. You got remote engine start, which is real nice. You just lock it, push this twice. It cranks right up. So it's a one owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker, local trade. It's got the passive active key. You can unlock and lock it by just touching the door handle, as long as the key fob is nearby. So we've got power windows, power locks, power heated mirrors. Got memory seat. It's got nice heated leather seats in excellent condition. No sign of wear. Got power seat, lumbar support. Got some all-weather floor mats and original mats. Power telescoping tilt. Audio controls behind the steering wheel. Push start. It's only got 21,966 miles. Very low miles. Got all your information here on trip computer. All that. Easy to read display. Got your paddle shift if you want to shift, but it's automatic. Cruise control. There's your voice command, Bluetooth for your phone, and audio streaming. It's got the large touchscreen. This one's got the navigation system. Heated seat, air conditioning seat, heated steering wheel. Got your backup camera. AM, FM, XM satellite radio. Got lots of storage. I do have both keys. Owner's manual. Window sticker right at 45. And then the navigation was added after the fact. So it's got the auto dimming rearview mirror, the 911 button. Got the panoramic sunroof with the power shade. And that opens up. Very nice. Everything's nice and clean. Been well taken care of. Comfortable back seat. You've got some USB charging port and a 115 volt outlet, and it's got a heated seat in the back also. Very nice. It's got the power lift gate. Lots of room. Full-size spare. It's got the Infinity sound system, I believe, with the subwoofer in the back. Got a 12 volt outlet. There's your cargo shade. The back seat lays down forward too for some extra space. power seats on both sides. Carpets are clean. Got the fuel efficient V6, 3.6 liter. Clean engine compartment. This Jeep comes with the remainder of the full factory warranty. 3-year 36 on a bumper to bumper and 560 I believe on the engine transmission. You can see description for details. If you're looking for a sharp luxury Jeep with low miles in light and new condition, I believe you found it. To see if this Jeep's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.